Hi guys, welcome to our video presentation on project. My name is Tessa and be discussing why do competitors often their stories next to one another.
Oh my god! Wow!
Have you ever noticed gas station or coffee shop located right next to each other, while other places have none at all? Why does this happen? Why? This is explained by an economics theory called Hotelling's model of special competition. Imagine you are selling ice cream on a long beach. If you are alone, the best place to stand is in the middle, so you can reach the most customer. Now, a competitor arrives as first. You both stand apart to split customer fairly, but each of you moves closer to the center to attract more buyers. Eventually, both sellers end up in the same location, right in the center. This is called niche equilibrium, where nature can improve their position by moving. So, next time you see similar stories side by side, remember it's not a coincidence, it's not a coincidence, it's strategy. That's why in real life, business often goes to stay close to their competitors, even if it's not the most convenient for customers. Have you ever noticed how gas station, coffee shop, or similar business are often located right next to each other? While other areas seem to have none at all, and you might think this is just a coincidence, but in reality, it can be explained by an economic concept called Hotelling's model of special competition, which shows how business cause their location strategically to attract as many customers as possible. For example, imagine you are selling ice cream on Milan Beach. If you are the only seller, the best place to stand will be right in the center. That allows you to reach the maximum number of customers from both sides. However, when a competitor arrives, things start to change. At first, you might both try to split the area evenly to be fair, but over time, each of you will begin to move closer toward the center in order to capture more customers, and this process continues until both sellers eventually end up standing right next to each other in the middle, where neither can improve their position by moving away, and this situation is known as a niche equilibrium, which means both competitors have reached a stable strategy. Even though this outcome is not always the most convenient for customers, especially those 84 and will now have 12 further, and this is actually why in real life we often see similar business groups together, not because they want to, but because competition pushes them into the same location. So, the next time you see similar side by side, remember it's not a coincidence, it's strategy. Thank you guys. Hope this explanation helps you better understand the strategy behind business location.